How much has the construction industry transformed in the last decade? That's what we're here to delve into today. If we cast our minds back 10 years, construction was a heavily labor-intensive industry. Workers toiled day in and day out, their sweat and blood quite literally becoming the foundations of the structures we live and work in today. From bricklaying to cement mixing, everything was done manually. But as we moved forward, a significant shift occurred. The traditional methods of construction were slowly replaced by modern techniques. The industry began to harness the power of technology and machinery. Suddenly, we saw the rise of automated machines that could lay bricks and mix cement, reducing the physical strain on workers and increasing efficiency. Drones began to fly over construction sites, providing real-time progress reports and identifying potential issues. But it wasn't just about machinery. The industry also started to lean into digital technology. Building information modeling, or BIM, became a game changer, providing a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a facility. This allowed for more accurate planning and cost estimation, and better project management. And then there's 3D printing, a technology that has truly revolutionized the industry. It's now possible to print entire houses, bridges, and other structures, drastically reducing construction time and waste. The shift didn't stop at technology and machinery, though. There was a change in mindset too. The industry began to prioritize sustainability, focusing on green building techniques and materials. The aim was not just to build, but to build responsibly, considering the environmental impact at every step of the process. The evolution of the construction industry has been nothing short of incredible. From manual labor to the use of advanced technology and machinery, from traditional methods to modern techniques, the transformation has been profound. But as we look back at how far we've come, it's also important to look forward. Indeed, the construction industry has come a long way, but where is it heading? That's a question we'll continue exploring as we delve deeper into the world of construction. Consider this: what if the roads you commute on daily were constructed using futuristic technology? As we delve deeper into the realm of construction innovation, let's take a look at the fascinating world of road infrastructure. One might think, what could possibly be innovative about laying down a tar road? But behold the wonders of technological advancements. A key player in this transformation is the utilization of drones. Once merely a recreational gadget, drones have now found a significant place in the construction industry. In the realm of road infrastructure, drones are used for land surveying, providing accurate, high-resolution data in a fraction of the time that traditional methods would take. Imagine a bird's-eye view of the entire project area, with every minute detail captured with precision. The data collected by these drones can then be used to create detailed and precise construction plans. Another fascinating innovation is the use of three-dimensional printing, or 3D printing, in road construction. This technology allows engineers to create scale models of the proposed roads, bridges, or tunnels. These models help in visualizing the final outcome and identifying any potential issues prior to the actual construction. It's like having a miniature version of your project in your hands before it comes to life. Finally, let's not forget the role of autonomous machinery in road construction. Gone are the days when heavy machinery was solely operated by humans. Today, we see the rise of self-driving bulldozers and autonomous dump trucks that can perform tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. This not only accelerates the construction process, but also reduces the risk of human error, thereby enhancing safety. So, next time you drive down a smoothly paved road or cross a perfectly built bridge, remember that it's not just tar and cement that went into its making. It's the result of cutting-edge technology, innovation, and a vision to build better, safer, and more efficient infrastructures. Innovations in road construction technology not only expedite the process, but also ensure precision and safety. Clean water is a necessity. How is innovation ensuring its availability? Let's delve into a case study that demonstrates the power of technology in managing our water supply and sewerage treatment. Imagine a city bustling with life. At its heart, a complex network of pipes ensures a steady flow of clean water to its inhabitants. What's fascinating is how technology has revolutionized this process. One of the most significant advancements is the use of smart sensors. These nifty little devices are embedded in the city's water infrastructure, continuously monitoring the flow and quality of water. But they serve another crucial purpose: leak detection. In the past, finding a leak was like seeking a needle in a haystack. But with smart sensors, leaks can be detected and located with incredible precision, saving valuable water and resources. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has a significant role in managing water supply. It's like having a super intelligent water manager. Then there's the matter of treating the water. Advanced filtration systems have truly elevated the process of water treatment. Utilizing methods such as reverse osmosis and UV disinfection, these systems can remove contaminants at a microscopic level. The result? Water that is not just clean, but pure. It's important to note that these innovations aren't just about convenience. They're about sustainability. By managing our water supply more efficiently and treating it more effectively, we're conserving one of our most precious resources. So, next time you turn on the tap, take a moment to appreciate the sophisticated technology that's working behind the scenes. It's innovations like these that are transforming our cities, making them smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. Innovation in water supply and sewerage treatment technology means cleaner water for everyone. And that's something we can all raise a glass to. Cheers to clean water. What if the city you live in could predict and prevent potential threats? Let's dive into a case study that explores how innovative technology is reshaping the real estate sphere and the concept of safe cities. With the rise of the digital era, artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things have become integral parts of our daily lives. Now, imagine if these technologies were intricately woven into the fabric of our cities. This isn't a distant future. It's happening now. Take, for example, the use of AI and IoT in surveillance. Cities worldwide are adopting smart surveillance systems that not only monitor, but also analyze the data they collect. These systems can identify patterns and trends, helping law enforcement agencies to predict potential threats and act proactively. It's like having a watchful guardian, always alert, always vigilant. Now let's shift our focus to real estate. The incorporation of smart technologies in buildings is transforming them from mere brick-and-mortar structures into living, breathing entities. Smart buildings harness the power of advanced sensors and analytics to conserve energy, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. They can adjust the heating based on the weather outside, turn off lights when no one's around, and even alert you about potential maintenance issues before they become costly problems. But it's not just about safety and efficiency, it's also about quality of life. Imagine living in a city where traffic flows smoothly because smart signals adjust to real-time conditions. Picture a city where waste management systems optimize pickup routes, reducing noise and air pollution. Envision a city where you can find a parking spot with the tap of an app. That's the power of the Safe Cities concept. What we're seeing is a revolution, a shift in how we think about and interact with our cities and the buildings within them. The fusion of real estate and technology is creating environments that are not only safer and more efficient, but also more responsive to our needs. Innovation in real estate and Safe Cities concept means a safer and more efficient living environment. This is the future, and it's happening right now. So, what can we expect from the construction industry in the future? Well, let's start with virtual reality. Picture this: instead of looking at blueprints on a piece of paper, you put on a headset and you're suddenly standing in the middle of the construction project. You can walk through the building, examine every detail, and even see potential issues before a single brick is laid. This isn't some fantastical idea. It's the real potential of virtual reality in project planning. It's like having a crystal ball that allows you to see the future of your project, making adjustments and improvements before the actual construction begins. But what about the actual building process? That's where robots come into play. Robots are already being used in factories and warehouses around the world, so why not on construction sites? Imagine drones that can fly above the site, providing real-time updates on progress. Or robots that can lay bricks, install electrical wiring, or even paint walls. These robots won't replace human workers, but will work alongside them, taking on the more dangerous or repetitive tasks and allowing humans to focus on the more complex aspects of construction. And let's not forget about the environment. The construction industry has a significant impact on our planet. But with green technology, that impact can be reduced. Think of buildings that generate their own energy through solar panels or materials that are made from recycled waste. These are not just dreams, but real possibilities that are being explored and implemented right now. The future of construction is exciting, filled with potential and innovation. It's a future where projects are planned with precision, built with efficiency, and created with sustainability in mind. It's a future where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the world around us. Innovation will continue to shape the construction industry, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. And as we move forward, we can't wait to see what the future holds.